morning. Day 2. We're here in beautiful Renton, Washington. The weather is gorgeous. The temperature is amazing. The humidity is amazing. It's going to be a great day. We are going to head off to a couple Harley dealerships that my dad's interested in going down to see. We're going to head down to Pike's Place Market. Check that out. Watch some flying fish. And go check out some other sights and scenes. We're gonna head to the pre-meet party tonight at 6 p.m. So, car's all clean. Like I said last night, that car wash was it was incredible. Did a great job. The wheels look really, really good, which I'm impressed. So, let's hit the road. We got full bellies, all full of breakfast, and we'll get this day started. Let's get going. We've made it to the first Harley dealership, 9 o'clock, and it's huge. It's massive. Bigger than any of the stores we have in Calgary. Okay, now we're down in Bellevue, Washington, and we've come to the second Harley Davidson store. I gotta say, the guys at the Renton Harley Davidson store were so friendly. The manager seen me taking some video and pictures of all the bikes in there, and he actually asked me for my number to send me a bunch more pictures of what it looks like when all the bikes outside are put inside the store. We'll go into the store and check it out, and yeah, just enjoying the beautiful day. Well, we're here at BMW of Bellevue, checking out the BMW dealership, local, close to Seattle, and I noticed there's an i8 Spider in the front window, and there's a really nice M4 for sale. Lots of pretty cool inventory. We'll check it out, go in, say hi, see what the cars and everything else looks like, and I'll bring you guys along. We'll go check out that Spider for sure, and let's take a look at the price tag on this 2016 M4. everything we wanted to come see. We got to see the flying fish just for Akeisha and Shyla, just for you two.
Oh, sorry.
So there we go. Pike's Place Market. We made it to where we wanted to. It's crazy, it's nuts, it's insane. So many people. The city is huge, but very cool. I'm glad we made the effort to come, do what I wanted to do, and that's it. Now we can head out of downtown Seattle and get back to Renton and the Bellevue area and check some more places out over there. So keep watching. Let's try and get out of downtown. Drop a comment below if you've ever been to Pike's Place Market. It's nothing like we have near home, but pretty crazy, pretty wild, and now we can head out of here. Well guys, we got to the Hilton Bellevue where the pre-meet kind of party's going on, and myself and my dad, we parked up top, and then we seen a bunch of cars coming around to the lower parkade, and so we seen a spot open and we're like, let's go and park in the lower parkade. Well, as soon as I come around the corner, Mike from Stancewars was standing there, and he's like, come on, he's like, you're in top 100, and we're parking down in the parkade where the entire pre-meet is, and where all the outside people can come check out the cars and have a good time. So for wanting to just come check out the show, see what the quality of cars are, I get put in the show. So it was a really quick rush to quickly do a quick detail on the car. I'm so glad that we washed it yesterday and got the majority of the crap off. So I'm going to show you guys a bunch of the cars. We'll go through, and as the night progresses, I'll show you more and more of the cars. But super friendly, everybody has just been amazing. Like, the car scene here is just next level. The cars are next level, and yeah, everyone's so welcoming. Calgary, you just don't get so many people coming up to you, asking about the car, saying hi. It's a totally different experience, and I really dig it, and I think it's gonna be a super killer weekend. So here's some of the cars, and drop a comment of what you guys think. that's about all for the pre-meet. A lot of the cars are heading out, packing it up, calling it a night. We're gonna do the same thing just because it's gonna be a really, really long day tomorrow. The awards aren't until 10 p.m. and then we all gotta roll out. So tomorrow's gonna be a long day. So we're gonna go get in and then get a good night rest. I'm gonna get up and I'll bring you guys along, but we're gonna go to the car wash one more time. I just wanna do a really, really good clean on the wheels and just make sure the car's perfect for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was kind of all over the place. Got to see some of Seattle, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please click that subscribe button if you want to see all of the event coverage from Stancewars.